Also the first question is from Mr. W.G. Schmidt, W.G. Schmidt.
Yes, please.
I first read in English and then in German. Is there cooperation with the big religious communities, and if, how this cooperation looks like, and if not, where are the difficulties, how such work could continue?
To hold interreligious dialogues is very important for bringing humanity to one unit, closer together, and to remove many understandings about other religions. With the grace of Allah, the Ahmadiyya community in Islam holds many such conferences where leaders from various religions are invited to freely speak of their religion, and also speakers are invited to speak on other religions, but not negatively criticizing them, but trying to find the good points of other religions. In this way, both the followers of the speaker's religion and the followers of the religions they speak about benefit equally. So I think this dialogue system is very good. It should be held regularly between all religions. But unfortunately, and very unfortunately for that matter, it is difficult to hold such dialogues with Muslim scholars. Mostly, they are non-tolerating. They have become extremists. And any difference of opinion in religious matters is strongly criticized by them in language which should not be tolerated by civil people in the world. So I have tried it many a time, but unfortunately with no positive result at all. So I have left that altogether. Only in my question and answer sessions I permit even those extremists to raise their questions, but not to debate the issue, but only to hear my answer and sit down quietly, whether they are convinced or not. So I hope in this way we are promoting a better understanding between different religions of the world.